I'm here to tell you about the Pitvaq pit emptying machine. We call it the honeysucker that can go anywhere. Most of the people in the world still use some form of on-site sanitation, meaning they don't have a sewer that takes their waste off-site. That means they've got a pit latrine or a septic tank or a conservancy tank or a leach pit. Those pits eventually fill up and then they need to be replaced or they need to be emptied. Due to problems with access mainly, a lot of that emptying worldwide is still done by hand, using buckets and spades, often climbing into the pit, which is not great for the workers, not great for the environment. Through our work in fecal sludge management, we got interested in small pit emptying machines. Started work on this more than 10 years ago. We have got a machine which, from our experience and from other people who've used it, can pretty much do anything that a normal vacuum tanker can do. The difference is it's scaled to be fully portable. You can take it anywhere. You can take it through a doorway, you can take it down a flight of stairs, you can take it down a steep bank and get anywhere. You might think, well, it's a bit small, but it's scaled for filling a 50-litre capacity vacuum tank. It's a 300 litre per minute vacuum pump, which is producing the same vacuum force that any vacuum pump would produce, no matter how big the truck is. The only difference is we're filling a small vacuum tank, which is sized to fill a 50-litre drum. It can produce a vacuum in this tank in 10 seconds. We can fill this tank if it's a very liquid sludge. We'll fill it in a matter of seconds. If it's quite solid and we have to keep mixing it, it might take a few minutes. When your tank is full, you discharge it into the drum. The sludge comes out through a nice big opening. We've got a 100mm diameter opening, so if there's any trash and stuff like that, it falls through the opening. And then this drum can then be taken to the waiting vehicle or to the disposal pit, and you put a new drum in place. Completely portable vacuum pumping system that 2 or 3 people can take anywhere. This machine can do anything a vacuum tanker can do.